Shut up, clock in, and load up.
Dude, that was
Yeah. Fuck, not chances.
where it is. Oh! Oh, it's the same fucking cunt that got me last time! So this guy is waiting. So. No, the guy up here got this guy.
Oh.
He's coming over, bro. What is that? No. It's the
Oh my
30
God.
millimeter, though, right?
Yep.
What the fuck is that? That's just
I can't move. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm actual fucking stuck, dude. Oh my god. I'm actual fucking stuck. I couldn't jump over the stupid bitch. Oh.
Mission failed.
This game's
We'll go
retarded
next
right
time.
now. You guys ready for this? Oh, I didn't sound as good. God damn it. He's on the rooftop.
Go for that chest.
We can laser him. Oh, there's two now. I'm gonna laser him.
I hit him too.
I'm launch padding. Because he had no fucking... He's got no
Knocked
heals.
everyone out. That guy knocked the jump pad out, but it's okay. I hit the other one.
I knocked the other one.
Weak 30-30 twice. Oh, there's one here. Get him. He's hit. This one here is 30-30 twice. Flash.
He free dynamite at me. He died.
You tell.
Okay. If campfire somewhere.
Go pump here. Go pump on me.
Yeah, I want a launch pad. This is 2v2 now. We need the high ground.
Here.
Right here, right here. Oh my
He one
god.
pump me, bro.
Oh, was it last two?
Woo!
Yay!
Lord. Yes, man, we got it.
One.
Oh, no, just... Oh, thank you, Richard.
4 kills, yay. Fuck it.
I only got one.
We can get Rudder.
Yep.
I haven't been in them all. That's the gayest TikTok.
Yeah, right.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, but now we can search the whole area now.
What about zone? On.
Pardon?
I thought they won.
Ah, no. You getting shot out? Oh, you would.
Yep.
You fucking would.
Yep. You tried to throw it, what? You hit it?
Supposedly I did not. You just run into the fucking zone. It's just not talking about it.
I'm talking about. Yeah, he was sniping. Yeah, he was. Oh, there's two of them. Yeah, I'm going for it. Oh, he's dead. Fucking out-turn bitches. Doubled fucking.
Do you have minis?
Yeah, I got 6.
I understand, Richard.
Yeah. Fortnite top. Oh, this dude's standing still. Oh, hold on. Hit one for 100. Are you serious? Just 100?
I hit that one late, this one.
I don't want to fall, so I'm just gonna get closer.
They leaded.
Yeah, they're leaving.
Didn't they?
Wow.
I hit him to 31.
Oh! I I just sniped.
Did you kill him? Oh,
No, I
we
sniped
can
him for
launch on
100.
him.
Yeah, yeah.
On him.
Oh, I don't have a launch.
Where's their launch pad?
I don't have a launch pad.
Oh, down here, down here. Do we go on them?
Yep. Oh, maybe.
Because I weakened mine. Oh, well, just fucking...
Wait, they're just.
Yes, they're in the fountain. They're in the fountain, bro. Trust me. They're in the fountain. I see them.
I'm right behind you.
Lasered.
Nice, nice. He's lasered that one. I'm trying to flank this other one. Apparently I missed. He's knocked. Last one's on top.
He's
Fight.
on me. Trying to...
Ah, he's dead. That's fucking Minigun them. Yep. Only a few people left.
Yep. Oh, do you see them up there?
See who?
The building. Do you have them over there?
Oh. Oh fuck! Why can't I stay?
Dude, how do we shoot that? Yeah.
What's it connected to?
Over there. Jump at it. Someone fell.
Yep.
Couple.
Oh! You have a launch pad? You have a launch pad?
I don't, bro.
No, I just sniped him for so far. He's rezzing. He's rezzing. He's rezzing. Fuck! I'm stuck. Game there. Let me.
I see him. I see him. Over. And this thing. Oh, 34. 34 again.
Minigun. You got a minigun?
Yeah.
It's knocked.
Above him. He jumped out of the way. He leave.
Yep. I've finished his teammate, by the way.
Okay. We're zones. Okay.
Yep.
You got plenty of health and shit.
Oh, he might be launch padding. I hit him for 100. I'm gonna leave this solo. Let them fight. I'm gonna try and knock it down.
Oh yeah. Oh, 21.
21.
Yeah.
21.
Bro, they got zone.
Oh fuck. I'm trying to knock it down. Oh, got him. He's going for a res.
We can get him. Just keep throwing.
He's dead. There we go. See ya, boy. That was our last game. Hey, welcome to the minigun.
How many guns kills you get? I got 3 then.
I have 5.
Oh, I just want to put it out. I got 6 assists, huh? What are we doing, huh? What are we doing, huh?
1.
Oh, I see how it is.
Hey, it says 1 revive.
Player damage?
What the fuck's that? Oh, 1,209.
Oh, 1,700, see?
Shit. Yeah, but one revive. One revive.
Nah.
One revive.
Oh, that's a good boy.
Fucking
minigun too. You talk trash to this and what?
Yeah.
Okay, love you long time. You make good content. Love you long time.
You know I'm a sure thing.